Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add transitions between your clips on the Inshot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot app on your device and you will now see the create option, from which you can choose from the many different options to create your project. Now, after choosing your required files for your project, you can tap on the tick mark and you will now be taken into your project homepage. Now, within the timeline menu, all of your media will already be added. You can change the position by long pressing and dragging, and you may also adjust the duration of your images if you wish to do so. Now, if you wish to add transition between your layer, just tap on the blank space within your timeline, and you will now see a small icon between these two clips. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will open up the transition menu. You will now see various different transitions that are available. You can tap on each one of these to view the preview, and you can also adjust how long it should take by using the direction slider. After choosing your transition and your duration, tap on the tick mark, and now it will be applied between your two clips right away. You can do the same process to apply it within various locations of your project based on your desire. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add transitions between two different clips within your project on Inshot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.